Hi everyone, welcome to Bright Learners. Today, we learn 50 simple sentences for moms. Let's start. She is pregnant.
She is pregnant.
She is expecting a baby.
She is expecting a baby.
She has morning sickness.
She has morning sickness.
She feels the baby kick.
She feels the baby kick.
She goes to the doctor.
She goes to the doctor.
She has a scan.
She has a scan.
She sees the baby on the screen.
She sees the baby on the screen.
She is 3 months pregnant.
She is 3 months pregnant.
Her belly is getting bigger.
Her belly is getting bigger.
She takes prenatal classes.
She takes prenatal classes.
She needs to rest more.
She needs to rest more.
She takes vitamins every day.
She takes vitamins every day.
She prepares the nursery.
She prepares the nursery.
She buys baby clothes.
She buys baby clothes.
She chooses a baby name.
She chooses a baby name.
Her due date is tomorrow.
Her due date is tomorrow.
She goes into labor.
She goes into labor.
She goes to the hospital.
She goes to the hospital.
The nurse checks her.
The nurse checks her.
She breathes deeply to relax.
She breathes deeply to relax.
The doctor is ready.
The doctor is ready.
She has a baby boy.
She has a baby boy.
She has a healthy girl.
She has a healthy girl.
The father cuts the cord.
The father cuts the cord.
The baby weighs 7 pounds.
The baby weighs 7 pounds.
The baby cries for the first time.
The baby cries for the first time.
She holds her newborn baby.
She holds her newborn baby.
She kisses the baby.
She kisses the baby.
Everything goes smoothly.
Everything goes smoothly.
She breastfeeds the baby.
She breastfeeds the baby.
She burps the baby.
She burps the baby.
She changes the diaper.
She changes the diaper.
She rocks the baby to sleep.
She rocks the baby to sleep.
She sings a lullaby.
She sings a lullaby.
The baby sleeps in the crib.
The baby sleeps in the crib.
She gives the baby a bath.
She gives the baby a bath.
She pushes the stroller.
She pushes the stroller.
She dresses the baby.
She dresses the baby.
She checks the baby's temperature.
She checks the baby's temperature.
The baby smiles at her.
The baby smiles at her.
She takes many photos.
She takes many photos.
She talks to the baby.
She talks to the baby.
She reads a bedtime story.
She reads a bedtime story.
She takes the baby to the pediatrician.
She takes the baby to the pediatrician.
She meets other moms.
She meets other moms.
She baby-proofs the house.
She baby-proofs the house.
She protects her baby.
She protects her baby.
The baby starts to crawl.
The baby starts to crawl.
The baby takes his first steps.
The baby takes his first steps.
The baby is teething.
The baby is teething.
The baby can eat by himself.
The baby can eat by himself.
The baby learns to speak.
The baby learns to speak.
The baby plays with toys.
The baby plays with toys.
The baby likes to draw.
The baby likes to draw.
The child grows fast.
The child grows fast.
It is time for preschool.
It is time for preschool.
She is happy to be a mom.
She is happy to be a mom.
That's all for today. Simple, right? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Keep practicing. Bye!